Spigen Glass Screen Protectors for your brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. My review and installation after my intro. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing and reviewing two different types of glass screen protector from Spigen for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. I hate saying that, it's too long-winded, but whatever. One is a 2-pack which is got a cutout for the notch. The other has not got a cutout for the notch, but it is full screen. They range from about $6.99 to $10.99. The price fluctuates, but I will leave links in the description where you can pick either one of these up from if you want one of these. So let's start off with the 2-pack one first. Okay, we'll move this one out the way. And what does it say here? Silicone full adhesive, delicate touch, oleophobic coating, real glass, and 9H hardness, which is pretty much standard for glass screen protectors because they tend to have a harder glass than what comes on your actual screen protector. On your actual screen, should I say, sorry. Let's get rid of this, move this out of the way. Now, I hate doing this behind the screen, but whatever. I said I'll do it, so I'll do it. So as you see, you get two glass screen protectors in the packaging. Cleaning wipes, wet wipes, air bubble squeegee. Let's take that out real quick and show you what comes in here. And a microfiber cloth as well. Come on, let's get this out. How to remove bubbles. There's a QR code there if you want to scan that and find out how to do it. As usual, I'm not going to bother doing that. So you've got your dust removal stickers right here. Put that to the side. Microfiber cloth, air bubble squeegee, and some wet wipes. So first things first, let's take off this Spigen case that I've got on the iPhone. Take that off. Let's use that as a base to protect the back of my investment. So first things first, what I will do is I'll give it a quick wipe with one of these wet wipes. Obviously the phone's switched off, makes life a lot easier. Trust me, if you try and install a screen protector with the screen on, you'll have a lot of pain. Give this a quick wipe down. This screen on the iPhone 11, it picks up a lot of fingerprints and a lot of grease. Really irritates me. I'm hoping this Spigen one solves that issue. This Spigen screen protector. So that's all cleaned. Now use this microfiber cloth just to give it a quick dust, or dry off should I say. This is all real time, I haven't sped any of it up. It'll be an interesting exercise to see how fast I can actually install it live. Now here's the alignment tray. Okay, at the top it says top on it. So this should click over this, like so. So click in. It's quite firm, so you have to make sure it goes on properly. It's called the Align Master, this thing. Okay, so let me just have a quick look off camera. Let's just be blowing off any particles or lint. Lint is a nightmare where I am. It's an absolute nightmare. You can use this to remove any dust, but I'm not going to bother. Next, take out one of these. Now you peel off the back sticker here put it in the alignment tray, push here, slide down, and you let it do its thing, you let it stick. Come on, do your thing, do your thing. And my God, that was easy. I mean, that was very, very easy. I am impressed. I am impressed. That is a good job. Well, I don't need the squeegee to remove this sticker. A little bit of an air bubble here. That's not a big deal. I'll remove that later. Take this off. A little bit of air bubbles. But in the video I don't want to waste time by trying to remove all of them. It's actually just this one here. Just one here. You can see, I don't know if it picked up on the camera. Let me switch this on so you can see the clarity of it. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Done, dusted, very, very smooth. Silky smooth actually. Colors, perfect. Edges are kind of rounded so you don't get this sharp feeling there at all. I mean, this feels so silky smooth. Really does feel good. You can see the notch cut out. Very, very nice screen protector, this one. Really, really worth the money. 100%, 100% I recommend this if you want one with a notch cut out. Let's stick on one of the Spigen cases. Switch the screen off, and look at that. Perfection. Absolutely perfect. No issue at all there. You can just see the screen protector's got a slight gap around the edges to the case. Perfect. Love this screen protector. Now let's move on to the one without a notch cut out. And what I'll do is, let me switch this off again. Let's switch that off again. Let's move all this stuff out of the way. And it's good that you get an extra one in the box. I like that. So this one is slightly different because this one covers the entire screen. So let's move this stuff out of the way. This one comes on this kind of a backing. As you can see, it's got hard plastic backing, which I'll show you in a little bit. And again, same stuff, screen wipe, squeegee, etc. You don't need to go back into all that again. Alignment tray again. So let's take this one off now. It's gonna pain me to do this, but hey. There we go. That's off. Let's take this off. Now I'm just going to give it another quick wipe down with a wet wipe. Should be okay. Can't imagine there's going to be much of an issue there, because I have just taken a screen protector off it. Yep, looks pretty clean to me. Don't see any dust. Again, same sort of alignment tray with top written at the top. Flip it over, push it down. It's a very tight fit again. Now this one, you peel this hard plastic off to make sure there's no dirt or dust on there. Yeah, that looks good to me. Peel this off. Push this one in here. This one's a little bit more tricky, hold on. lined up. That's done. Slide my finger down the center, let it do its thing. Press any air bubbles out. There's one there I can see, a big sod. Now let's take this out first. Take out this tray. Let's take off this sticker here. You can see there's some bubbles. That's me making a nice mess. Here's a squeegee. Try and get this air bubble out. Let's do it in real time. So you guys can see how long it actually takes. That one's gone. There's a little air bubble here. It's not such an air bubble, it's just where it's not adhering to the screen. So I just kind of do that sort of thing to it. It usually works. There we go. That's all done. And what a horrible, horrible thing to happen. I have got a piece of lint stuck right here in a really obvious part. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get the dust removal stickers and live try and remove that dust particle from under the screen protector. Might as well give it a go while I'm live on camera. So let's see, how easy is this? Let me lift this up, put that under, hopefully that gets it. There's a little bit more there, like that one. And the phone switched itself on. It saves me a bit of time. Come on, close. Get rid of all the dust. Switch up the screen. Do the squeegee again. Let me just get rid of these air bubbles. I'll be right back. Right, I'm back. And this one is even better than the last one. Love this. I'll leave a link to this one as well. Very, very smooth. Very, very smooth action. As you can see there, no issues. Very clear, crystal quality screen, color showing through, clarity is perfect, very smooth. The edges are rounded off, so there's no sharp bits to them. As you can see, the notch on this one is completely covered. Now let me just try out face unlock real quick, and it works perfectly. Look at that. I'll do it again. Wait to raise, and it unlocked. Perfect. Has no issue with that at all. They bring up the camera. Okay. Switch it around. You can see I'm looking scruffy as hell, but who cares? Yep, camera seems unaffected as well. Perfect. I think that is excellent, that screen protector. That's one I'm going to probably leave on here. Let's try it with the case on. Again, it's a Spigen official cover. And look at that. That one is fully edge to edge. Literally, there is no gap between the screen protector and the case. It's a tiny, tiny, we're talking millimeters. This one, that's the one to get. So there you have it, guys. That is my review of the two screen protectors. Yeah, lock it from Spigen. The choice is yours. I'll leave links for both in the description below. One's a 2-pack. One is a full glass screen protector like this one. I'll make sure I clearly label those links in the description below. I've got loads of cases. I've got the entire Spigen case lineup. I've got some of the official Apple cases, and I've got a lot more stuff, guys. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon. Give me a thumbs up. I know it's a rough video, but I want it to be legit. Show you how long it really takes to actually apply the screen protector, rather than do a sort of a nice edited tutorial so you can see for yourself. Even removing lint from under the screen protector was a piece of cake using this. So what do you guys think? Is any screen protector you recommend over this one? Let me know in the comments below. And do me a favor, share this video on all your social media. Helps me out, helps the channel grow. And until next time, this is Zilla saying take care and peace.